Hello guys, today I'll be taking you guys through how to install a custom ROM into your Mi Note 7. So first we'll be putting our Mi Note 7 into fast boot mode by pressing the power button and the volume down button. Not the volume up but the volume down button. So we hold the power and the volume down button, and there we are in the fast boot mode. Sorry guys, and now we connect our type C so we can hook our phone to a computer. And now what we're going to do is we're going to open the image. I've already downloaded the image, but I'll make the image file be accessible for you via the web. So we extracting the image. I'm just showing the process to extract it, but I've already done extracting it. So I'll just open the extracted folder. This is the image I already extracted, but the name is too long, so I will shorten the name. So that will make it easy for me to flash. And I will remove the folder from this parent folder. So yeah, I made a little mistake. So I'll remove this folder from the parent folder so that the directory will not be too long. It will be easy for me to flash the phone, because if the directory is too long, then the phone will not flash. This is a very simple method. So we just flash all.bat. We watch the script running. It just work like magic. And as soon as it's done flashing, it's really magical. When I first saw this works, I was so much happy. So we wait for it to run until it gets to the end of it. It's now flashing all the different files, the VB meta, and all the files needed. So even if we use the Mi Flash tool, will run all this command in hidden mode. So what it does actually, it just run all the scripts in that particular folder. So it doesn't necessarily use the Mi Flash to unlock. We just run the same script as if we are using the Mi Flash to unlock, because that's what it does. We only does import the image and click run and click run. So basically, what we did when we click run is we run this batch script. So this is the same. We just run this batch script and wait for it to complete. Guys, if you want to see other videos just on how to do other fun Xiaomi stuff, just leave your comments down below so that I will know, and whatever mistakes I've already done that you guys don't understand, you just leave the comment down below so that I understand, then I will try to give you guys more good videos. Actually, this is one of my first video I'm doing on Xiaomi, because I actually learned doing all this stuff, flashing global ROM, like changing from the Chinese ROM to the global ROM. I learned on my first phone when I was using just the Mi Note 7, and it was really crazy for me that day until I started having a way through and it works. So most of my friends, they come around with their phones. Everybody wants to have the English ROM. We are so much tired of the Chinese ROM. Okay, now we turn on the flashing. The phone is rebooting. So you see it's successful. Now the phone is rebooting. And if it works well, when it reboots, it will bring us back to where we enter a password to prove that we're actually in control or we own the phone. It's like the cloud. I just don't want to compare it to Apple's cloud, but it's more secure too. This one is also secure. And now we have the nice display of MIUI. Actually like this better than the older one. This look awesome. I'll wait for it to load. Take some time, but it will load. I just want you to see closer. Wait for it to load. First, I thought it's stuck. The first time I did this, I thought it's stuck. I thought I had Stockholm. But when I noticed that was the first boot to take some time, I felt happy. Like waiting. Give it some time. Yeah, it still works. Don't worry, man. It works. Don't worry. It just takes some time to load since it's the first. And it works perfect. It's smooth. It's not the first time I've been doing it. I'll be having some other phones that's will be sent in for me to flash and Mi Note 8 Pro. We will be going through with that too. We will change from the stock ROM in it, which is the Chinese ROM, and we'll be giving it the Indian ROM because I think it doesn't have yet a normal global, so we'll be giving it an Indian ROM. And I think the Indian ROM too can switch regions. Just like the EU ROM, they switch regions. Just that the Chinese ROM doesn't switch regions, and we like it when it switch regions, so I can receive more updates more faster when I switch to Indian region. I receive early updates than my own region because I'm in Africa. We don't have much updates, and I like using the Indian region because some apps, there are a lot of fonts and theme in the Indian region. I'm really in love with Xiaomi's. I think the prices are not too high for the kind of service they're providing. Plus, I just like to use some kind of a phone that someone would be like asking, "What phone is that?" And as soon as you see it, you know it's an Apple phone, yeah, or it's a Samsung phone. Let's just give it some time to load. Here we go. Now you see that I was spinning with some MIUI 12, and there we are. So guys, I'll try to enter my password, and it's actually not my password. It belongs to the owner of the phone, but they trust me by giving me their username and password, so I can just log into it as soon as I don't flash in. So what we'll do next, we connect it to the Wi-Fi first. We join the Wi-Fi. So after joining the Wi-Fi, we go back and you enter your password for your Mi account. And after we enter the account password, then start loading. Then we can go through the normal process of setting it up by choosing a language, choose different settings. So guys, that's it. So if you have any other comments, please don't forget to leave your comment, and also don't forget to like and subscribe and share. Thank you guys.